Now, you may be asking yourself, what is a manual pallet jack and how is it different from an electric one? A pallet jack is used to move loads around a distribution center, warehouse, retail space, or industrial facility. The biggest difference between manual and electric pallet jacks is how they're powered. As the name suggests, manual pallet jacks are powered by hand, usually using a small lever that, when moved up and down, releases hydraulic fluid that raises the fork off the ground. Now, some use a foot pedal instead of a lever, but the general operation is the same. Now, since there's no motor involved, manual pallet jacks require more physical strength than electric ones. Manual pallet jacks are best suited for small spaces and have various load limits depending on the jack. Because they rely on manpower, the capabilities of the individual using the manual pallet jack must be taken into consideration. Attempting to move loads that are too heavy can quickly lead to fatigue or injury. Now, for this reason, manual pallet jacks are best for lighter loads that need to go about 40 feet or less. Now, while there's no regulation specific to manual pallet jacks, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, classifies all pallet jacks under their regulation on industrial trucks and has guidelines on the safe use of manual pallet jacks. Manual pallet jacks require on-the-job training that teaches operators how to safely push and pull the jack. However, OSHA doesn't require any specialized certification to operate manual pallet jack. Even though manual pallet jacks may not appear dangerous or hard to use, operators should still be aware of precautions to take to keep everyone safe.